Hey guys, it's Tom Maninas with Keller Williams Platinum Partners on part 3 of Sump Pump Install. A couple of things we want to talk about before we get going today. The kit that comes with this, you need to buy additional parts. Obviously, the piping and the fittings and all that fun stuff, but one very important one that everyone always forgets is the male to half-inch adapter that screws into the top of the actual pump. Teflon tape, primer and paste and glue, we'll call it. This actually is a backflow preventer valve and it came with the kit. What this does is it attaches above, water will shoot up and then it will not allow the water then to drop back down. It's a backflow preventer. A couple of tools, 2.5, 2 1/8 actually, drill bit, impact, and then I actually bought clamps because on the outside, what I'm going to make sure I'm going to do is attach the PVC pipe to the foundation. I'm not just going to discharge it right here next to the neighbor so it goes straight to his house. I'm going to run it down the side of the foundation and then kick out past his house, past my house, so I won't have any more water issues. It'll be water away is a good day. Let's watch. Another quick tip. One thing I always like to do is dry fit everything before I glue it together. I'll take a black permanent marker and I'll mark all the joints, connections. That way I know exactly where the angles are, where the twists and turns, how deep everything needs to be, blah, 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 blah. So, quick tip. I've made my decision on where I'm going to exit the house, and I've drove a little long bit here just to kind of get a pilot hole to see exactly where outside compared to the siding, where it will discharge, so I know that it's not driving right through a seam and it's going to look not good. So I found the hole outside and I like exactly where it's at. It's a couple inches below a seam with the lap. So from the outside, I'm going to take my hole saw and drill in. As you can see, I drill from the outside in. Everything's matching up just right because I measured twice and cut once. Now I'm going to install the check valve. The check valve needs to be about 3 feet off the ground, and it is very important that you look at the arrow. That says flow. Flow up. That way, when water comes shooting up, the valve opens, allows the water to discharge, and if there's anything left over that doesn't discharge outside, it stops. Repeat. Like I talked before, little clamp. I'm going to clamp it to the floor joist there. It'll be snug as a rug. Primer, then the glue. Voila! On the outside, again, I'm going to strap L90 down, probably 45 or 25 as it runs down the grade outside. strap it to the foundation, get it past neighbor's house, past my house, and let it discharge onto some gravel. I make a little riverbed, you know, something cute, whatever it may be, whatever getting along, I don't know. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tommy Needles. Thanks so much for watching. This is part 3 of a sump pump install. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Total disclaimer, I'm not a licensed professional sump pump installer. If you want to do it yourself, try what I did. And if you want to hire the pros, call them. Be good.